If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. QuickBooks Online Plus shows the Home tab of the dashboard page by default when you open a company file. The Home tab in the dashboard provides an overview of your business within the widgets it shows. The dashboard page also shows a cash flow and a planner tab. To hide financial information in the dashboard, click the Privacy toggle switch to set it to the On position. To customize the dashboard in QuickBooks Online, click the Customize Layout button on the Home tab. To move an existing widget in the page, hover over it, and then click and drag it to a new location using the four-pointed arrow icon that appears on it. To show or hide widgets in the dashboard, click the Add or Remove Widgets button. Check or uncheck the widgets to show or hide in the Customize Your Dashboard window that opens, and then click the Save button in this window. To finish and save all your dashboard customizations in QuickBooks Online, click the Save button in the dashboard. Administrative users of the company file see the logo and company name appear at the top of the dashboard page. Clicking either of these opens the Company tab of the Account and Settings window, where you can change that information if needed. To close the Account and Settings window without saving your changes, click the X button in its upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.